so finally, mag-unboxing tayo ng mga anik-anik natin. Okay, mag-start na tayo. Ito muna unahin natin kasi nakita naman na natin. Ready? Are you ready? Tada! So cute! Super cute! I like this. Oh my god, we forgot to bring cutter.
Okay lang yan, ganyan lang.
Aww. Let's open. Naku, wala tayong scissors. I can't open it.
Nasa car. Diyan sa...
Ayan. Ayoko sana sirain yung box. Oh, meron pa pala dito sa both sides.
Mamaya na.
Tada! Ay, super secured! Nakahook pa siya! Oh my gosh. Ayaw magpaano. Ay, naku, later na lang. Oh, nakahook siya. Ah, so cute! Cry baby! Cheer up baby pala siya. Hoo! Cheer up baby! Okay, what's next? Ito. Si Twinkle. We are Twinkle. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So,
Anong pili mo?
hoping I will get this one, Little Cutie.
Ako...
I like Little Cutie.
Ako ito.
What's that? Little Superman. Oh, okay. Or this one, Little Happiness.
Sana ito sa'yo.
Ay! Pangit na. Okay, let's unbox this. Ay! Wow.
Wala ba nakalagay?
Wala. Tayo siya. This is it. Ready? Oh! Good luck! It's Little Happiness! Oh,
Alin yung gusto mo?
Gusto ko sana si Little Cutie. Pero okay din siya. Little Happiness. Oh, so cute! Oh! Oh, diba? So cute! Saan ko nalagay? Okay. What do you want to open next?
Ikaw.
Okay. Ito hindi na siya si Care Bear. Hindi na siya blind box kasi alam na natin kung ano siya. It's Cheer Bear. Oh, pareho silang cheer.
Bakit parang sad ka?
Hindi ko na pagtanto.
Hindi, parang random pa rin siya.
Hindi. Ito na siya. Si Cheer Bear. Cheer Bear. Oh, see? Oh. Ay, meron pa siya. Nakahook siya. Wait. Tagalin natin siya dyan. Ay, hindi pwede. I need scissors talaga. Or maybe I can do like this. Oh, so cute! Plus, meron siyang hearty Care Bears. Ang cute! Tapos, heart yung niya. Nakikita, heart. So cute. So I have a pink one, And a yellow one na... See? Very colorful. Do you want to open your Labubu Yoga? Okay. So, this is Lazy Yoga Labubu Edition. So, what do you want?
I want this one. Show
What's that?
off.
Show off.
Or sleeping.
Stretch out.
No, I want sleeping. Ito talaga, sleeping.
Sleeping.
Anong sa'yo?
Ako, stretch out.
Okay. Ako sleeping. Okay.
Okay. Let's see, let's see. Parang hindi natin nakuha yung gusto natin. Ay, baliktad pala kasi. Ay, ano to? Ano, parang yung nagaganyan. Oh!
Ang cute.
Ay, ang cute! Iba yung ano niya. What is this? Ah, confident.
Oh, well.
Maybe I need more confidence kasi.
Wow.
Charot.
Okay.
Cute! You have so many pink. Oh, so cute. Confident. Meron din pala siyang secret, edition. Ay, ito naman pala. Lahat ba ng boxes, ganyan ang
Hindi.
ang front?
Iba na nakalagay blind box.
Di ba to blind box?
Hindi nakalagay.
No, it's a blind box figure.
Okay. Natsambahan lang.
Oh.
Sakto lang.
Okay. Let's put this one here. Maybe we can put some sticker and then we'll just put it there.
No. Kailangan mo lagay sa lalagyan na para siyang keychain.
It's mabigat. So, what's next? I think ito muna. It's also a cheer up baby blind box. So, ano lang to? Yung mga ulo lang nila. So, I like the yellow one. Yellow. I like the yellow. Or purple. Kasi meron akong twinkle twinkle na yellow. Pero lahat naman sila cute.
Ayoko sa kanila. You're
Cute sila
crying.
kasi they have big cheeks. Packaging. Oh, I got it. I got the purple.
Bakit sakto lahat na ako?
Ang laki!
Bakit sakto lahat?
Ang cute! So cute! Right? So cute! At least kita yung cheeks niya na hindi masyado siyang ma-cry-cry. Less lang yung cry-cry niya. Ah, so cute! Yan, tabi sila niya. Ah, so happy! Look at them! So cutesy! Okay, Powerpuff Girls! Ako gusto ko si gusto ko si Bubbles and Blossom except for Buttercup kasi galit siya. Gagalit siya eh. Lalo na to, oh. Okay.
Gusto ko ito dapat si
Bubbles. Okay. Hindi naman sa ito eh.
Kaya gusto ko mahulaan.
Ba't na ang hirap nila na ay, wala siyang ears. Hindi siya bunny. Oh, it's Bubbles! It's Bunny Buttercup! galit! This is me at work. I'll take her with me at work.
Hindi naman siya galit. Cry-cry
Ay,
siya.
hindi ba siya galit? Oh, so... mataba pala siyang ganyan, oh. Hmm. Cutie? Cutie na? Galing ka sa work. Aww. Pero nakaka-happy sila tingnan. Look at them. Look at them. Oh. Ang nice. Iba-ibang color. At least. Right? This is it. This is the special one. Because gift nila Arvin and G. Ano to? All occasions gift daw. Kasi minsan lang sila mag-gift. So, this is special. Oh, before that, anong gusto natin? Kasi meron na tayong meron na tayong soy milk, di ba? Yung sa'yo soy milk. Tapos si G, nakuha niya is toffee. Toffee ba yun sa kanya? Brown? So, hindi naman na to secret kasi wala yung tulog niya. So, sana si lychee berry para pink. So cute yung packaging. Ito mo na? It's lychee berry! Oh, so cute! So cute! Pero matabi yung head niya. Bakit tabingin gano'n, di ba?
Naglilin siya.
Ganun pa talaga si lychee berry.
Yeah.
Arvin, parang parang tagilid tayo dito. Nato-twist ba yung head? Ah, yeah, it's twisting. Parang,
Yung ear. Oh.
yung ears. Okay. Yung teeth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
10.
No, dapat 9 lang daw pag pag legit. Pero bakit tabingi yung head?
Na-deform. Tagal nasa box eh. Ilang weeks na siya nasa box.
Oo nga, kasi hindi ko pa na-unbox. Oh, so cute. Should I place all of them in my bag? Oh, my new toy collections. My babies. Oh, so cute. Cheer up, baby, so big. So, let's see if this is legit. The Labubu Monsters. We will, this one. Enter the code and check. We will enter the numbers. It's only the last 4 numbers naman eh. As genuine by Pop Mart, so it's legit.
Yeah.
Bakit
parang
it's not. Oh, it's original. It's not fake. Labubu.
Kaya Ikaw lang naman ang duda.
But why is your head like that? Why it's tabingi?
Huwag kasi itabingi.
It's tabingi. Okay, lagay na natin silang lahat sa aking bag. Pero yung bag ko ngayon, kulang siya ng sabitan. Maybe I need to buy, may nabibili sa Lazada eh. I saw it. Na hook. Doon mo lahat sila i-hook. Pag walang pang hook yung bag mo. There you go. So we have lychee berry. This is Zizi or Zeze. And this is you, Anger. And we have soy milk. And this one is for G and Bobby. This is Joy. So are we really pleasing everyone here? Napaka-crowded naman na nila. So cute! Oh, see? Super colorful! Hindi na uniform yung bag ko, nakaganon na. Hindi na sila nakikita. Meron pa akong 4 dalawa pa. Siguro nalagay ko yung isa dito. Sa zipper. And then, si Care Bear. Ay, hindi siya nakaharap. Okay. Mali. Tapos si Care Bear. Hindi kasi ito po, sayang. Oh. Si Yoga, may iwan siya dito sa car. Lagyan natin na sticker sa kanyang pet. This is it, guys. May anik-anik. This is for G. What do you think? Ay, hindi na naman siya nakaharap. Oh, natatakpan siya.
Balik mo na.
We were so lucky yesterday. Punta kami sa Robo Shop sa Castle Hill. And last one na si Twinkle Twinkle. And also, ano pa yung last one kahapon?
Yung kay Brian.
Yung kay Brian na labubo.
Ano nakuha ni Brian?
He got yung color blue. Sea salt. It's sea salt.
Cute.
Oh, so cute na ko natabunan si Zizi. Hindi na nila alam kung paano sila pupwesto. Wow! See? Si Anger, wala nang galit na siya. Hindi siya makita. Oh my God! Look at that. Si Zizi, iwan ko na lang dito kasi sa'yo naman yan. Okay, let's go to Arvin's. Let's show this to them.